Hello girls, Rick and Beth. If you want to join Snowball Analytic Affiliate Program, how can you join? So, if you're working as a freelance content creator or whatever, you want to join Snowball Analytics and you can get rewards and payment. So how can you join? So I will explain clearly today. So go ahead to your Chrome or Safari first and go to snowball.com first, and this is your home screen. So if you already log in your account, you can use right now. Or not, if you need to sign up your account, I recommend you to sign up first. And then if you want to join the affiliate program, how can you join? So you need to go ahead to the Patina program here. So click your profile here and go ahead to your account. And you can see this is your account subscription setting, display setting, invite your friends, and partner program. So as I mentioned before, if you're working as a content creator, you can join the affiliate program offered for Snowball Analytics. So just go ahead. And you can see you can earn money with the Snowball Analytics. Because you need to put your personal link to Snowball Analytics on your post or social networks and register users at Alligator for 10% discount for the next purchase. So, if your audience purchase, they can also get a discount for 10%. And you will receive 40% from every payment in first 2 years. So, if your audience subscribe the plan for Snowbirds, and you can get 40% interest rate. So, and you need to write, if you want to know detail, you can also go ahead to help@snowballanalytic.com and you can ask the detailed information as well. So, and one thing you need to know is this offer is valid for blogger with an active audience of more than 1,000 people. So whether you are on TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, you need to have at least 1,000 people and try to earn money with Snowball Analytics by doing this stuff. So that's how to join Snowball Analytics affiliate program, guys. So if you're working as a content creator, I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you so much and see you, bye.